Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Blessings Nation, and now welcome to the channel. Yeah man, Jaden Chase, another one we're gonna bring on another reasoning from the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, well I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and of course, let your voice be heard. Like and share the video, and yes, drop a comment in the comment section. Now, let's get right into the reasoning. Now Nation, first and foremost, we get to Alex I say. He must say him plan to do a good deed for the family, and in his own perspective, that initiative has been taken over by the political machine. That is politics. And I also understand what the member of parliament for the area, which is St. Catherine Northeast, is stating, that the government has programs in place and it shouldn't be a problem as long as the aim is to help Delano and his family. The nation, a member of parliament, said she was angry by the narrative being pushed by Alex that the help being given to Delano and his family is being done for political gain. No nation, the MP stated that the government has been using the housing opportunity, production and employment, the program named HOPE, as an vehicle for its national social housing program. Now, Ms. Morrison told the tabloids that Tucker and his family have been selected as beneficiaries under the HOPE program. She admitted though that she only became aware of how dire the family situation was after the video was posted on social media. So Alex did a good thing. Now the MP stated that she knows Mrs. Tucker and that they have met more than once. She said her most recent encounter with Mrs. Tucker was at a community meeting in Springfield. Now she said recently she asked, "How is it that you have never mentioned anything to me at all?" To which she told the MP that she had never shared her story with anybody. As you know, it is common practice to not really talk your business. And she said after the conversation, or during the conversation, she offered Mrs. Tucker one of the houses that she has access to under the new social housing program, which she later accepted. Now listen to me, man. I don't want the focus shift from who I help to who we are trying to help. I don't care who help Delano, as long as it is no strings attached. And Mr. Goldie, I don't want the statement that started to circulate social media and what his mother said stop you from do any type of good we plan for do for Delano. She don't really understand the question them, and people ask her about them to try to confuse her for them own reasons. For make the story into something that it is not. The story is about the fact that Jamaica is united in the fact they are back to school, face-to-face classes for everybody. And Delano's situation, being a top student, one of Jamaica's future intellects, we are saying no, we can't afford for the youth to go through these types of hardships while focusing on an education. And then when we hear him reasoning and the determination we have, we are saying no. And everybody who see the story touched by it, and everybody help out in their own different way, whether it be monetarily, you know what I mean? Whether it be in the Alex situation, they may have good plans and intentions in mind, you know, then put out the video, got the awareness of the people, and you know, it's just that them get the awareness of some big people who could, you know, do something at that moment. Nothing wrong with that. And of course, we could have said the MP should have been do that long time. We know, but she explained herself. She said first and foremost, yes, Delano's mother does attend these community meetings. She's a respectable woman in the community. But she not just take her business and tell anybody like that. She has just been going through the struggles and see by the blessings. Our son talk him situation. Explain to the world. Explain to the nation. And the people spring into action. Even the MP spring into action. The opposition leader spring into action. You know what I mean? Only one narrative change. As I say, Alex, I say, It is easy to misconstrue these things. See, because for a long while, when MPs are people involved in the political space do any type of deed, it has always seemed as if it was done for some form of political gain. Now keep in mind though, every government across the world has programs put in place for these very types of situations. Just for one, some people know for access these programs. Sometimes the waiting list is extremely long and some criteria we have to go through. Like sometimes as simple as to get one of these houses, you have to show them the deed for the land. Show them say you own the property where you're going to put the house on. That's difficult for a whole heap of people. In this situation, maybe the family had the deed, or maybe that was just bypassed because of the situation. The MP said, Delano's mother stated to her, she don't really tell her business to people. So you wouldn't really know. If the video was not made, you wouldn't really know. And the MP admitted to the fact that she was only made aware of the circumstances being faced by Delano and his family because of Alex them video. You see me? So, me that say Alex, just I pray that you do a good deed. Don't taint it with no other back and forth about why people are helping and why people not help. You bring the situation out there, help is being given. You know what I mean? We know you are continuing upon your journey. You are continuing to do this. I'm glad for say, despite what take place, it now stop you from continuing doing the good works we are planning to do out there. And just continue to do that. You know what I mean? It is what it is. You say what you say. And you're going to say you know what you know. And the MP has said the same thing. She said what she said. And she knows what she knows. And that this is being done simply because she was made aware of the situation. She has access to one of these houses. And she offered it. To which the family has accepted. See, Back to School is no longer just saying it is right around the corner. It started already. The situation where the land and him family are go through needs some urgent results. If Alex still want to add on to what them a bill, can do that if he want. More likely the house of the government a bill, I want them prefabricated one the way, just put it up or set it up or whatever the case may be. You know what I mean? Additional facilities will probably still require building. So, you know, them can get on that. All I say is who want help, can help, still do it. Don't consider the fact that the government has stepped in means alright, everything good now. No. Continue to show your support. I'm gonna say big up to the MP for step up and step in. Now I mean, regardless of what the narrative is in the streets. I'm gonna say yo, big up Alex for that video. Where him go out, they go do. And show the people him situations where actually take place on the Jamaican island with the Jamaican citizens. Especially with their future intellects. Youth them who go to school, they might face some whole heap of pressures. Even as youth, I know them things they affect studies. So if you say a youth where put in the work, I do exceptionally well in my studies while still facing these circumstances. It's good to say those days are now in the past and moving forward. Him and his family will be better off. Yeah, man, you know the settings, and for those who don't, well, first and foremost, I want to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and I want to put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boost a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. For check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion. The comment section on me 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and get your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. MPS session like the way the situation is being, narrated in the media, saying that the help that the government is now giving to Delano and his family is being given simply or strictly for political gain. As long as the help is genuine, we don't care where it forward from. Talk to me in the comment section. Until the reason again, stay tuned.